first time here, I would love for you to subscribe because this channel is all about creativity and inspiration. I hope you feel inspired to create something amazing. Feel free to share the inspiration because life is a journey we make together. And now I'll show you how this creative project was done. So I'm outside painting again, my favorite thing to do, I guess. It always seems like I do enough of it. But the sea foam green is my ultimate favorite color. Guess what? I found sea glass sea foam green. So these are my lovely vases and glass that I have collected that I want to be slightly a different color. Not great. 2 green, 2 yellow, 2 yellow. Let's see what happens. It is really heavy. It is super dense. I mean, you've got to get really close. Makes a big cloud of paint. So you really have to be outside. And getting it really close means that you can get more runs, so I'm not loving that. It's like painting everything else around it. Happens to be white. Super stinky. Definitely outside project. Some of this was going in the greenhouse, but some of this I wanted in the house. Little Miss Zoe is going to have to move because I don't want her seafoam green. I really don't. Alright, I'm going to let it dry from here. This one actually got darker and a different color green. Yeah, I got a little bit lighter on this one. Might be a little bit marbled, but that would be alright. Man, this is super stinky. I don't like how close you have to be. Alright. I think this is going to be the back. Alright, phase 1. So the second coat really did turn out nice. So it was well worth the effort. I love the color. So pretty. Well, they turned out great. I'm so happy.